Welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. NIA court acquits 6 accused in Madgaon blast case. Relief to Sanatan Sanstha after 4 years. Order copy awaited. Scintilla 2014 begins. Goa packed with celebs and tourists. Governor in his message raises concern over rising crime in Goa. Vishnu vowed to open his cards on 1st January, at present with BJP. MGP opts to sympathize with Vishnu, says useless revolting against BJP. ITAC condemns CESA Goa's massive retrenchment plans, says they are with the workers. Blames CM for catastrophe in mining sector. Taxi and rickshaw owners at TV railway station demand immediate arrest of private taxi owner for assaulting their colleague. Now news in detail. NIA court has acquitted all the 6 arrested accused in the Madgaon bomb blast case. Mapsa court pronounced this verdict on Tuesday. Police had arrested 6 accused out of 11. 3 were absconding, while 2 suspects had died on the spot. NIA advocate has decided to challenge this verdict. Defense lawyer said this was clear-cut acquittal as prosecution has no evidence. This case was transferred from SIT to NIA.
The bomb blast on 16th October 2009 on the Diwali eve had rattled Goans. 2 persons had died on the spot. Police had arrested 6 persons in this connection. On Tuesday, NIA court acquitted all 6. Vinay Tadekar, Vinayak Patil, Dhananjay Astekar, Dilip Mangaonkar, Prashant Astekar, Prashant Zuekar are the 6 acquitted in the case. Margonda Patil and Yogesh Naik are the 2 persons who died on the spot. Jaiprakash, Rudra Patil and Sarang Kulkarni are still absconding from past 4 years. The arguments in Madgaon blast case were over on 20th December. Court had kept verdict reserved on 31st December. NIA had attached 260 witnesses. Public prosecutor had recorded statements of 122 witnesses. Order copy was not available till late evening. NIA counsel SB Faria informed that it might take 3 to 4 days for them to get the order copy. Thereafter, they will be in a better position to comment.
All accused have been acquitted of all the charges. I have not read the judgment. I don't know. I have asked for urgent certified copy. Unless I read the judgment, I can't offer any comment.
Defense lawyer says it's a clear-cut acquittal, not on the basis of benefit of doubt.
In all the charges, all the accused have been completely acquitted, and this is a clear case of acquittal, not a question of benefit of doubt or something. As far as deceased person Mr. Malgonda Patil is concerned, it was all along our case that nobody represented Malgonda Patil, but we were repeatedly saying that it is a case where Malgonda Patil has been killed rather than Malgonda Patil carrying the explosives. So what has come in the evidence, probably after seeing the judgment we will be able to say. So to our knowledge and what we gather, and we have carried certain our own inquiries and investigations, Malgonda Patil too was innocent, and as on date, it seems that Malgonda Patil's death has not been investigated by the state. In fact, there were more things which I wanted to say. One is that the then Home Minister, Mr. Ravi Naik, it is his initiative as per which this all fabrication of evidence has taken place. All along we have maintained that this has happened, and Mr. Vasanta Bhatt from Ramnathi Temple, who was instrumental. It is my openly, I am before the camera, I am making a statement that when Vasanta Bhatt was there, he was not an innocent witness. We will read the judgment. As per the procedure, the accused, if any compensation has to be paid, it has to be recorded. Today, no compensation has been recorded. We may go for a writ petition for seeking compensation. We may go for inquiry. We may demand that entire matter should be reinvestigated and the true killers of Malgonda should be found.
Former Home Minister Ravi Naik will comment, but only after getting the order copy. The organization which was blamed for this blast, Sanatan Sanstha, also reacted on the verdict.
Sanatan Sanstha पण अखेरी न्यायालयाच्या एकंदर आरोपात किंवा हातून सनातन संस्थेचे नाव खेळच ना आणि आता सुद्धा जे कितें वर्डिक्ट आसा तातूंतय सनातन संस्थेचो उल्लेख खंयच ना. आमी पयलीं म्हणटाले की हातूंत सनातन संस्था खंयच इन्वॉल्व ना आनी न्यायालयानय तसोच वर्डिक्ट दिला.
The order copy is awaited. Going by the statements of the defense and prosecution, it looks like it will take at least 2 days to get the order copy. Mukesh Kumar, Vivek Prabhu from Ponda and Omkar Farari for Prudent.
2013 has culminated. Whole world is down to Goa. Goa has turned into a party hub. Lakhs of VIP tourists have arrived in Goa. Union ministers, film stars, businessmen, people of all the classes and masses are here. Governor, in his message to the people, raised concern over increased crimes against women and children, even after having a society of high morale. Police have beefed up the security all over Goa.
Domestic tourists of almost all the states and foreign tourists flocked to Goa to experience the final sunset of 2013. Goan roads have maximum of outer state vehicles than the Goan ones. Hotels in Goa are full to their capacity. The people who can't afford have parked their vehicles and taken shelter on roadsides. Central Minister Salman Khurshid, former Minister Shashi Tharoor, business magnate Anil Ambani and film stars have too landed in Goa.
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट 24 घंटा वेकेशन के लिए आए हैं, छोड़ दीजिए यार. अभी
तो अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे मेरी फैमिली को बुलाए हैं न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए.
Effigies of old men are seen all over Goan streets. Madgaon police have confiscated effigies of old men as groups of youth were allegedly stopping commuters and demanding money from people. Honorable Governor Bharatveer Vanchu has wished Goans a happy new year, but seems all is not well. Let the new year bring happiness and prosperity in the lives of Goans. Previous year has registered various notable and important developments. Goa state has a heritage of calmness and high moral values. Still, there has been a rise in crimes against women and children. Criminal activities in Goa is a great matter of concern for us, and we need cooperation from people to curtail these crimes. Police are speaking in the same line. Police themselves are advising tourists not to keep costly goods in their car.
Do not leave your vehicle on the roadside and do not keep any expensive articles in your car.
A very happy and a safe new year.
Vishnu Wagh is not leaving BJP immediately. Vishnu Wagh will clear his stand on Wednesday. Vishnu Wagh has decided to take his attack case to all party level and all democratic fronts. Vishnu says his attack issue did not get due feedback from social and literary section as people's priorities for issues have changed. On the other side, MGP has decided to sympathize with Vishnu Wagh.
सांगले न्ही आज मेरेन हांव रावतलो म्हणून. Then I will take it to all forum. All म्हणजे सगळे पॉलिटिकल, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल, बाकीचे कितें आसा सगळे.
हे सगळं पक्षात राहून करतले.
हांवें सांगलां न्ही पक्ष सोडटा म्हणून हांवें सांगलां.
आर्टिस्ट आनी कोण कोण कलाकार हे दृश्टीन लोकांनी हो घेवं नाका आशिल्लो गंभीर असो दिसलो तुका
म्हाका लोकांच्यो जनरल प्रायोरिटीज सद्या बदलल्यात अशें म्हाका दिसता. म्हजो अनुभव व्यक्तिगत लोकांच्यो प्रायोरिटीज बदलिल्ल्या बऱ्याची गजाल न्ही. मुळान लोकांची न्ही, लोकांची अशें न्ही, सगळ्यांची संवेदनशीलताच नश्ट जायत चल्ल्या. आतां सुद्दां पळय जे हो सद्या आप कडेन पळय जो हे चालू आहा इन्फ्लो, इट इज नॉट सरप्रायझींग. कित्याक एक पर्टिक्युलर वर्ग आशिल्लो पयलींच सदांच तेंच्या सरकाराच्या विरुद्धच उलोवपाचो, तोच आज ते वटेन वळिल्लो दिसता गोंयांत.
फाल्यां कितें म्हत्वाची अनाउन्समेंट करतलो?
डेडलायन सोंपता न्ही.
डेफिनेटली
फाल्यां अनाउन्समेंट आसा. बीजेपीचो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष गोंयांत येता 12 तारखेक, तेन्ना तुमी तुमची व्यथा त्या पक्षाच्या अध्यक्षा कडेन घालतले कानार?
पळय हांवें तुमी सांगलां हांव सगळे फोरम कितें आसा ते हांव हें करतलो.
हय
बरोबर.
हय.
आनी थंय सभा आसतना जावं हें आसतना कितें मेळून सांगया म्हज्या हातून बसना.
पूण तूं
आय विल रायट
यू विल रायट टू हिम वेन
म्हजी डेडलायन सोंपली की आय विल रायट टू एवरीबडी.
MGP has decided only to sympathize with Vishnu Wagh. MGP says can't raise voice against coalition party and there is no point in it.
कसलोही हल्लो झालो तर आमचे मन हळहळटा, खूप वाईट दिसता, पण आमचे हात तोकडे असतात. निषेध करणं आणि कितें करनाका घाव भरून येवचो ना.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.